to sit back, shut up, simply have their night, so we all get a good chance to dance and I'll be the boss.
But hard to please Donna's mother. Sarah's hosting either.
No je ne sais
Dancing?
No Donna entertainment.
Entertainment because it's about food, it's about the wine, do the talking.
Choose three desserts, profiteroles, pink champagne, berry jelly, and panna cotta.
It's very delicious. Yeah, you have the food dessert now.
You only need you to ask, there's a bowl for it.
Is it carton? Not too much gelatine? Just about right.
Pink champagne, whatever it was called, was awful.
I didn't enjoy the food. I'm still going to give it a second. My hangover may have tainted the time.
Sarah was a good help. For that reason, I'm going to give her
Her food was average, entertainment, and
So, with 19, Sarah's nickel coming up.